Hello mngani. Today we're going to learn how to say hello and how to say how are you in Siswati. Namhla sizofunza kubingelela ngeSiswati. So, if this friend sees another friend and they want to say hello, this one says sawubona. This one says yebo. So that's how you greet your friend. Now, if it is many people, you say sanibonani. They will say yebo. And then now if you want to ask your friend how they're doing, you say unjani. This friend responds and says ngiyaphila. Unjani wena? I'm fine. How are you? And this one can respond and say ngiyaphila nami. I'm also well. Or they can just say ngiyaphila. I'm fine. Okay, so if you get on the phone and you're talking to your gogo, your grandma, what do you say as a greeting? Sawubona gogo. Sawubona gogo. Unjani gogo. Right? And gogo, your grandma, will respond and say ngiyaphila. Right? Ngiyaphila. If you're talking to your auntie, you can say sawubona auntie. And then your auntie will respond and say yebo. And then you can say unjani auntie, how are you? And auntie responds ngiyaphila. And then when it's time to go, you say sala kahle if it's one person. If it's more than one person, you say salani kahle, remain well. And they say hamba kahle, go well, hamba kahle. So that's how you say hello in Siswati and how are you?